The mining of Pi network is gradually coming to an end. Now, it is no longer news that the final migration deadline is on the 31st of December 2024. In this video, I'm going to be telling you what to do if you are not yet done with your KYC, and also for those of you that have finally completed your KYC but are yet to migrate to your mainnet. I'm also going to tell you what you can do about this situation. Now, let's start with those of you that are yet to get migrated to your mainnet and have completed your KYC. For those of you that have completed your KYC, you don't have to worry. I'm very sure that you're going to get migrated before the 31st of December. That is certain. As long as you have successfully completed your KYC, you will get migrated before the 31st of December. Now, the main issue lies with those that have not completed their KYC. So for those of you that have not completed your KYC, you have to make sure that you do the following that I'm going to be showing you in this video. Now, there's a particular video that I did for those of you that are having issues with your KYC. This is the video right here. You can click on this video. It will guide you on what to do to solve the KYC pending issue that you've been having. And I'm also going to quickly walk you through what you can do. Now, for those of you that have successfully migrated to your mainnet, I would like you to do me a favor. Please make sure you do not get your hopes up, as Pi might not start with the price you're expecting. But one thing I know for sure is that over time, it is going to grow to become something very significant. Now, for those of you that are wondering what the Pi price could turn out to be, I'll also leave a video in the description. You can watch that video and get a full insight of what to expect or of what the Pi price could turn out to be based on the conditions that I stated in that video. You can see for yourself what the Pi price could be, because I did the numbers, I did the calculation of the possible price points that a Pi can get to. And then also, the price of Pi is majorly dependent on the circulating supply. Now, as this is going, the possible number of supply that Pi could turn out to have could be ranging between 30 million to 50 million. And if Pi gets to that price point, Pi would not be more than $3 to $5. That's just realistically. So guys, that will be the end of today's video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. But until then, bye for now.